Hi, we are here live from FABTECH with an FMA Debrief with Ed Youdell, our CEO and President. It's going to be an exciting day today. Ed, tell us what you're looking forward to.
So a great day here at FABTECH. We are on and open. We've got 1,500 exhibiting companies, some of the most fascinating, efficient, advanced manufacturing technology anywhere in the world is on display here at FABTECH. You've got two halls, the north-south building filled with metal fabrication and stamping technology. And then over in the west building, you've got welding, automation, and finishing. So from soup to nuts, every process you need in your shop, we've got it here at FABTECH.
Yeah, lots to see, and some great speakers as well.
So tomorrow, if you've ever had or never had the opportunity to see Peggy Whitson, former astronaut, she's keynoting tomorrow morning. Come learn about her experiences, what she's done, but what's ahead in the world of space travel and Peggy's role in that. But we're looking forward to having her talk to everybody tomorrow. So please join us at 8:30 tomorrow morning.
Yeah, that's going to be great. And also while you're here, don't forget to stop by the FMA booth. Say hi to Ed and everybody else that's here. Have a great show.